Welcome to Pluckley Station on the Ashford to Tunbridge Railway line. Staggered platform split by a bridge over the line, as you'll see here. Rather long platform. Most haunted station in the country apparently. Has one of the most haunted woods right nearby. They've done it up a bit though, plant pots and things. Since I was last here, this stuff was not here. As you can see there, one train an hour each direction. It would be every half hour if the trains from Dover stopped here, but they do not. So however, it is just one train an hour. There's a shelter for all of your sheltering needs. Find an old derelict building, Pluckley Station. Looks rather creepy. And a footbridge. Here's another view of this derelict car park style building and that creepy abandoned building. Looks to be as if there used to be a side entrance here for perhaps step-free access. And here is the old gate for it, which I'd imagine is just locked now. Yeah, I don't know. Another view. There's a gate that is welded shut, stopping you from getting out into this derelict car park, just underneath the footbridge. The old ticket office at Pluckley Station. Pluckley sign. Ticket office looks rather historical.